Rose hairband tutorial in Myla color is here. It's really suitable for autumn. The main pattern is a diagram. Repeat crocheting. Even beginners can try it, making the style more delicate. Let's crochet together with the tutorial. Use 4 strands of yarn and a 2.0 crochet hook. Start with a chain. Start with 7 chain stitches. Then we crochet the 4th one from the end, counting from 1 to 4. To hook a double crochet stitch. A hole will be formed here. We will crochet in the hole next. Then we stand up 9 chain stitches. The same as the 4th from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. To hook a double crochet stitch. So, there are 9 double crochet stitches. We need to repeat it, 11 groups. We will get 12 small holes. Then we chain 7 stitches. And make 2 loops on the hook. In this hole, we hook 4 triple crochet stitch. We back off the hook stitch in pairs. We only need to leave 1 loop, and don't need to back anymore. Continue to hook 3 more. Then the hook stitch goes around all the loops. Then chain 8 chain stitches. In this hole, we continue to crochet 4 incomplete triple crochet stitches to form a cluster stitch. Like this, the pattern in this hole is completed. It's a cluster stitch, 8 chain stitches, and a jujube-shaped stitch. According to this rule, finish the pattern on this side. Here we chain 4 chain stitches. And connect to the first chain stitch. After the period, continue to chain 4 chain stitches. Then we go back to this hole. The crochet pattern remains the same. It's a jujube-shaped stitch. 8 chain stitches, making a date shape. Then we keep crocheting until we reach this side. In the last hole, all the patterns are finished. We finally chain 4 stitches. Find here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. Then we can cut the thread. Change thread to crochet lace. First, we insert the stitch here. And hide the thread end. And hook 4 single crochet stitches in this hole. We go back to this big hole. First, we hook 4 single crochet stitches in this hole. After hooking, chain 2 stitches. Then pick up these 2 threads. We hook a picot stitch. After hooking, continue to hook 4 single crochet stitches. Then 2 oval stitches. And a single crochet stitch in the middle. This is the pattern of the large hole. And this small pattern is a set of patterns. We just need to finish crocheting all of these. When we reach the corner, there are 2 small holes here. Then continue to repeat. Continue to crochet this pattern. When you reach this side, there are also 4 single crochet stitches in this small hole. Don't cut the thread after the lace is finished. We crochet chain stitches to make a ribbon. According to your head circumference, I crochet 90 chain stitches. After finishing the 90 chain stitches, hold them, finally, for this chain stitch. And then crochet 6 more chains. Then go back to here. And make a single crochet stitch. Then go back to this, the chain stitch pinched. And crochet a single crochet stitch. This will create a hole. We crochet in the hole. First, chain 2 stitches. In this hole, first hook to double crochet stitches. 2 slip stitches and pull through. This is a pattern. We'll crochet 3 more sets in this hole. Start with 2 chain stitches, 2 double crochet stitches, 2 chain stitches. Then pull up. Finish the remaining 2 groups by yourself. In this way, a 4-leaf clover shape is completed. The other side is the same. Insert the stitch into the middle stitch. Then hook this. And hook up this hairband. Then our main body is completed.